Hello. Thank you for willing to share your experience by reviewing your recruitment agency so that other workers can find more information about their recruitment options. We believe that the best advisor for workers' recruitment is other workers who have the recruitment experience, like you. You are one of our recruitment advisor. Here is how you can review your agency. First, choose the country where your agency was. Some country already has a list of license of agencies that you can select in our website. Then choose the country where you work and then simply choose from the list, or you can type in the name of your agency. This is an example. I just choose this one. Then you can choose your language. We have 7 languages. For example, I choose Bengali. Then you can please fill in the questionnaire, all of them. And here, please write down the text, a short text about your recruitment agency so other workers can read it. And if you have an activity code, please insert it here. You can put your email address if you want to follow your review online. Otherwise, just click agree with the term condition and post review. Now your review is online. Thank you very much for your contribution.